Maria Kemp, pastry chef, Beyond Decadence, discussing what does DEI or D&I have to do with dessert.
So the first element we're going to talk about is the DEI Baking Demonstration, and there are three options. There's the Food Network style video where I hire a production team and we do a high quality, very customized video, the link that you desire. We can also do it virtually via Zoom, or it can be on site at the client location. The biggest difference, before I break these down further, will be budget, logistics, and your objectives that you wish to achieve. So let's start to talk about the DEI Baking Demonstration and how it works. We blend bite-sized historical nuggets into an entertaining baking demonstration featuring a cultural dessert. And you're still probably going, I don't get it. Well, stay with me just a moment. All right, so you look at the calendar and you say, oh my goodness, it's November. It's National Native American Heritage Month. And you call me and say, Chef Maria, and I say, hello. We want to celebrate our Native American employees. And I say, okay, well, here's what we can do. You have a choice of whether we're going to do it in person or whether we're going to do it virtually or a video. But regardless of which way that you pick, I'm going to actually create the dessert. I'm going to do the research first, extensive research, to find a dessert that is deeply meaningful to the Native American culture. And I will create that dessert in front of you as I'm interjecting or intertwining those bite-sized pieces of historical information. So at the end of the time together, regardless of which way you've chosen to do it, video, virtually, or in person, you've been entertained, you've been educated, and the Native American culture has been celebrated. Thank you.